This is probably when Russian forces tried to cut off Μικολάγιεφ, pushing to its north to encircle it, Ukrainian shells here not holding them back. The governor told locals to bring tyres to the streets, which they did fast. And in the dark, Russia's punishment of just about everyone here did not let up. An airstrike flattened this warehouse. And if you needed proof the Kremlin seeks to reduce all life here, 1,500 tons of onions, beer and pumpkins were an apparent target for a military jet. So were Zhenya and Ludmila. In the back bedroom when a missile hit. Zhenya built this home himself 43 years ago and knows he lacks the strength to do so again. Ludmila says she doesn't even have her slippers now. The hospitals are steeped in pain, their corridors running underground. Svetlana lost 3 friends Tuesday when Russian shells hit the car they were travelling in to change shift at a disabled children's home. When she ducked, she saved her life. She names her 3 dead friends. Nikolai was badly burned by a missile in his yard. Moscow targets hospitals, and so they perversely need their own bomb shelters, where sick children wait for the sirens to end. Stas is 12 and alone. But he doesn't know the reason his father is not here just now is because he is burying Stas, his mother and sister.
Мы сидели у соседки в подвале. К нам упала бомба прямо на крышу на мою сторону. Мы выбежали, там все горело. Мы пошли до бабушки, туда прилетело. У меня сломана рука сейчас. Потом я выхожу, еле. Потом меня сосед с папой отводит в больницу. У меня в коме 2 дня.
Sonia has shrapnel in her head, causing her to spasm. Her mother explains they were outside taping up the house windows when the blast hit, while all the time trying to get Sonia to keep still.
Отрезала скотч, поворачиваемся, шум, а у нас летит, сзади ракета летит, и видно, и тут я говорю, Соня, уходим. Мы только отбегаем, Соня впереди меня. Я вижу, она летит, шум, здесь уже сумбурно все. Я только слышу взрывы. Солнышко, все тихо. Все, я тихо все говорю. Солнышко, чуть-чуть маленькое, терпи, солнышко, все будет хорошо, все. Солнышко, я рядом, миленькая. Солнышко.
Мне холодно.
Ты замерзла? Ты замерзла, девочка моя?